Want to earn $5,000 to $85,000 a month using AI? Without building an entire startup, become an AI consultant. It's fast, in demand, and smarter than freelancing. Here's the roadmap you actually need in 2025. First, don't be a generalist, the fastest way to be ignored. Try doing AI for everyone. Instead, go niche. Finance, healthcare, logistics, or education. Niche equals value. You get paid more because you solve specific problems. Next, don't just say, AI. Prove it. Build 1 to 2 small projects. Automate a task. Show how you save 20% time or increased speed, 3x, right? Quick case studies. Post it on LinkedIn, X, or your blog. Results beat resumes. You can't consult on AI if you don't use AI. Master trending tools. ChatGPT, Gemini Text, Synthesia, Midjourney, Visual, Zapier Agents, N8 and Automation, AGOS Strands, Agent Bricks, AI Systems. Knowing tools equals more trust equals higher fees. Now build trust. Share what you're learning. Post weekly tips. Speak at local meetups or virtual panels. Experts get visibility. Visibility gets clients. Certifications give confidence, especially for clients. Here are 5 top AI certs in 2025. IBM AI Engineering Coursera for beginners. Stanford AI Graduate SAT. For academic pros, deeplearning.ai by Andrew Ng. For LLMIS plus DLUCI, K-Strategy plus GAN's NVIDIA DLI Computer Vision plus Hands-On Labs. Pick one. Learn fast. Use it as social proof. So if you want to become a real AI consultant, pick a niche, show results, master tools, build your brand, get certified. And don't forget, start small, think long-term. Your next client could be watching your content right now. Want a deep dive? Click the link in the description for tools, examples, and resources. Let's build your AI consulting journey, one smart step at a time.